The Lazy Bird. There is a little bird called Hun Hao in the forest. It has beautiful feathers, but it is very lazy. In autumn, all animals are busy preparing for winter. Squirrels store nuts, and sparrows build warm nests. Hun Hao, let's build a nest together, the sparrows call. But Hun Hao says, "It's still warm today. I'll do it tomorrow." Day by day, Hun Hao plays and sings all day. It never starts building the nest. Winter comes at last. Every night, cold wind howls and snowflakes fly. Hun Hao shivers in the tree, teeth chattering. "I'm freezing." "Tomorrow I must build a warm nest," it promises itself firmly. But when the sun rises the next day, the forest glows golden, the wind calms down, and the sunlight feels warm on Hun Hao's feathers. It forgets all about the cold night. "Let's play first," it thinks. Night after night, Hun Hao shivers and makes promises. Day after day, it plays and forgets. No nest is ever built. One freezing morning, the animals find Hun Hao lying still on a branch, covered in snow. This story tells us, don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today.